if I told you that you could make a full-blown animated movie without a camera, actors, or even a crew? All you need is an idea and artificial intelligence. In this video, we're creating an entire film using one of the most powerful AI video generators on the market, PixVerse AI. This isn't just a simple demo. We're going step by step through the process of creating a film, writing the story, generating video scenes, maintaining a consistent character, editing the full video, and finally reviewing the result. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring your creative ideas to life, even if you're not a filmmaker, artist, or animator. Let's begin. Before we jump into PixVerse, let's quickly understand what an AI film generator really is. An AI film generator takes a text prompt, like a knight walking through fire during a storm, anime style, and uses deep learning models to generate a short video clip based on that description. These clips usually range from 3 to 6 seconds, but with storytelling and editing, they can form entire scenes. Popular tools in this space include Runway ML, Pika Labs, and today's star, PixVerse AI. Each one brings different strengths, but the key power lies in how they visualize your imagination. Think of it like this. You write the script, the AI becomes your animator. Now let's dive into PixVerse AI, a game-changing platform in the world of AI video creation. PixVerse allows users to generate 3 to 6 second animated video clips from a simple text prompt. But what makes it truly unique is its art style diversity. From Pixar-inspired animation to Ghibli-style fantasy, cyberpunk worlds, realistic 3D, and anime. With PixVerse, you can choose animation styles, control camera angles, use stylized lighting, generate character-consistent sequences, and create cinematic scenes frame by frame. And that's exactly why it's perfect for making a film, whether it's for YouTube, a creative portfolio, or a personal story. All right, let's start the creation process. Making a film involves 5 main steps. Step 1, write your film script. First, outline your story. I'm using a simple 5-scene structure with intro, conflict, climax, and ending. Write short, visual descriptions for each scene. Keep the language vivid, like a novel. Example: a lonely robot walks through a neon-lit alley during a rainstorm. He looks up and sees a glowing sign that says, "Find home." Step 2, break it into scene prompts. Each scene is broken into multiple video prompts. If your scene is 20 seconds long, break it into 4 parts, each about 5 seconds. Step 3, style selection. Pick a visual style. For this project, we're going with Ghibli-style animation, soft lighting, pastel colors, and dreamlike motion. Step 4, keep scene context in mind. Each clip should flow naturally into the next. Add hints like, camera slowly zooms in, the character turns left to look behind, the background becomes darker. This builds visual continuity. Step 5, organize in a timeline. List out the prompts in the order they'll appear in the final edit. This timeline becomes your production script. One challenge in AI video generation: character consistency. You don't want your character to randomly change outfits, face shape, or gender in every clip. Here's how to fix that. Tip 1, use a character template. Write a detailed character profile. Example: young girl with a red hood, short brown hair, big green eyes, wearing a leather satchel. Use this same description in every single prompt. Tip 2, use reference images. PixVerse allows uploading reference images. Take a snapshot from the first scene and upload it to maintain the same look across future scenes. Tip 3, lock the visual language. Use phrases like "same girl from scene 1" or "the girl continues walking" to keep consistency. Tip 4, camera and mood descriptions. Mention the camera type, wide shot, close-up, and mood, mysterious, sad, joyful. AI tends to adjust lighting or tone otherwise. Tip 5, prompt testing. It might take 2 to 3 tries to get each clip right. That's okay. Repetition sharpens the final result. Once we've generated all our scenes, it's time to edit the film. This is where your story comes to life. Step 1. Import all clips. Open your editing software. I'm using CapCut, but you can use Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Step 2. Place clips in order. Drag and drop each scene into the timeline. Trim edges and sync transitions to create smooth flow. Step 3. Add narration or dialogue. You can use your own voice or AI tools like 11 Labs or JogAI to generate realistic voiceovers. Match your narration with the pace of the visuals. Step 4. Music and sound effects. Music sets the emotion. Use royalty-free audio from YouTube Library or Artlist. Add subtle sound effects like rain, footsteps, or distant echoes for immersion. Step 5. Final polish. Apply color grading, black bars for cinematic effect, transitions and text overlays if needed. Final film demo. Now it's time to enjoy the result of everything we've created. So was it worth it? Here's my honest review of PixVerse AI Pros. Stunning visual styles with Pixar Ghibli-level animation. Quick generation time under 3 minutes per clip. Character consistency is surprisingly good with prompts. Easy to learn even for beginners. Cons: no full scene continuity yet. You need to stitch manually, limited dynamic motion, e.g. walking, turning. Paid plans required for HD, please no watermark. For content creators, storytellers, and YouTubers, PixVerse is a creative weapon. It unlocks cinematic storytelling with just text. The future of film is here, and it's AI. There you have it, an entire short film made with PixVerse AI. From prompts to editing to publishing, the entire process is now accessible to anyone with a story to tell. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment what genre I should try next, and subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials. Whether you're a filmmaker, educator, or entrepreneur, AI video tools like PixVerse are going to change how we create, and you're just getting started.